Hi, it's Allie for SuperGlass. Our windshield repair is the best in the industry with a lifetime guarantee. The windshield is a vital safety component. Did you know when a windshield is cracked, only the outer layer is damaged? Our process removes the crushed glass, then uses our exclusive pressure and vacuum injection system to completely fill rock chips and small cracks with our polymer resins, bonding the glass back together, restoring the strength and safety to the windshield. Your original factory windshield seal is safest. When you repair your windshield, you save your factory seal. Repairing is green and saves you money. Repair, don't replace. So when you need glass repaired or restored, it's time to call SuperGlass. Call or text today. Our mobile services come to you.